Hey guys, what's going on? Today in this video, you will learn how to get a Nintendo eShop code. Super cool, guys. Let's get down and dirty. For free, of course. I wouldn't be showing you guys how to buy them. So go to ogsnags.com, and once you're there, guys, we're going to look for the Nintendo, as you can see, eShop promo codes. So you can search this up if you don't see it, but press get code, press show coupon code, and wait for it to load. So once it loads up, we're just going to go ahead and press the button that says get full code. And then the next step is the verification. So this is the last step. You just have to download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store, and then you will get it for free. So as you can see, I got all the apps. But like Underdog Fantasy, it says down and run for 30 seconds, so I could do that. So just make sure you do 2 of them, guys. It's really easy, but obviously there is going to be different apps depending on your country. So anyway, guys, let's type in eShop gift card cost, or I'll just type in gift card. So as you can see, $20, $30. I don't want to pay that, but I can get it for free. So it's really cool, guys. So make sure you do the verification. Also, make sure that you guys go to settings and keep that background app refresh turned on. It's very important that you do this because it will ensure that it actually works, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. It is super awesome. But yeah, that's how to get free eShop gift card in 2026. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but be sure to try it out because a lot of people do not know this method. But I am someone that is very interested in providing new methods, so that's why I made this video. But yeah, OG Snags, this is the website. There are going to be other sites in your travels. I'm going to tell you they're not going to work. This is the only one that works. So make sure you download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions, and you're going to be good to go, guys. So super awesome. If you guys are in the market, for some eShop gift cards, this is really going to help you out. I'm honestly pretty confident that it will work if you follow the steps. So don't cry or anything. Like, it is real. You just have to get down and dirty with it and actually complete the verification, because some people will download these apps and they will do nothing on the app. That is going to lead to raging because you're obviously not going to get an eShop gift card. The other thing they do is they'll download one of the apps and they won't download the other. Now, I know it seems confusing, but you don't have to do any of the specific apps. You just have to pick 2 of them in general, download it, and run it. But if you do one, it's not going to work. So that's where some people go wrong. They download one of the apps. So make sure you do 2 of them, guys. You're going to be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get free Nintendo eShop gift card right now. No jailbreak, fully working method. Super cool. And yeah, no one can really stop you. This is legit. And I've had a lot of luck with it. So yeah, OG Snags, that's the website, guys. So be sure to try it out. But yeah, make sure you got that background refresh turned on. Very important step because it ensures that you actually refresh your content in the background. It might be kind of confusing for you guys, but it just take my advice. But yeah, that's how to do it, guys. So be sure to try it out. So OG Snags, this is the website, guys. So be sure to make sure you type it in exactly as you see it. And you should be good to go. So I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, definitely like subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this, because if OG Snags ever gets like outdated, I'll find another website and make a guide on it for how to get eShop gift card code. So yeah, get the word out, bro. This is really cool and it actually works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out.